Look what I've done. Taken the lock off. Didn't like to be beaten, so I wasn't beaten, took the lock off. Look what I found. Follow me. That is the offending article. There. And this is the offending springy thing that should be attached to that and lock in there. But it doesn't because it's snapped. So what I'm going to have to do is either get a piece of wire and bend it myself, or find someone that's got one in stock in Romania without speaking Romanian, because I'm damn sure they're not going to send me one, are they? Could try, I suppose. Anyway, so back goes the bungee until I can sort this out. See you later.